Welcome back. Today is Monday, June 8th, 2020. Here we are in Mesa on a beautiful Monday morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and we're working on a second floor unit of a condo. We will be replacing the floors here throughout except the master bedroom and the laundry with new vinyl flooring. And there's the original staircase, nice wood. Carpet looks a little bit worn out, probably a lot worn out. That's before and that's after. You can see it's an amazing condo, just needs a little love. We'll be putting all new vinyl floors throughout. We'll be removing and replacing the baseboards. All that, the old tiles coming out, trash, and all coming out. Trash. We'll be putting vinyl flooring throughout the area. In the bedroom here, in the hallway, you can see it's a nice sized bedroom, just not a nice carpet. Oh, look at that seam. You can see it real good in the video. Laundry is staying. So we'll be removing the tile here, T-molding there, and new vinyl flooring throughout here. Of course, that is cracked. Not by us, it's been cracked. Hey everybody, welcome to Royal Wood Flooring. That is Royal Wood Flooring with a big R. So this is where we'll be installing vinyl, and we'll do an after video. Nice color, just not a nice flooring. You can see the dress has been there for years probably. So if you need any flooring done throughout the state of Arizona, give us a call, 602-446-2613, or find us online at www.royalwoodflooring.com. That will be staying. So we'll be putting a T-molding there. We'll be putting a T-molding at this doorway. And we'll be putting T-moldings at the bathroom, laundry, and the bedroom there. The reason for that is if it's a vinyl flooring and it's a click and lock, there's chances that it might separate. So we don't want to take no chances. It has happened before, especially on a condo, which is probably plywood underneath. And since it's not a solid concrete, the chances are coming apart are pretty high. They do have a nice view here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, nice little balcony. It looks like some kind of a school or just a racetrack. So let's go ahead and go back in, do a final walkthrough before. And take a good look. This is the last time you're going to see this flooring in this house. We'll make a follow-up video as soon as we're completed within the next few days. And there's that beautiful carpet. Nope, that's not a footprint, I don't think. Unless Bigfoot came here. Yeah, so we'll have all new vinyl flooring installed. Somebody decided to make sure that I put one black step, one white step, so this way they notice it, that it's here. Alright, we'll make a follow-up video. That's a pretty nice arch and another rounded wall. So this is the old tile. Give us a call today. Like we said, we'll be more than happy to help you with all your flooring projects, from sanding, staining, refinishing, to installation of vinyl flooring, engineered flooring, solid hardwood, and also laminate flooring if you choose to. We suggest you go vinyl, a lot more stronger, a lot more durable. So give us a call today. Be more than happy to help you any way we can. Might be a school there with all that music going on. Hope you enjoyed our videos. See you on the next one. There we go.